Hello, I'm Gabriella Dukes and I'm here at the iconic Pryce Jones Building in Newtown for the Newtown Fashion and Textiles Academy launch. And we've got a jam-packed show this evening, including a fashion show where the students will be showcasing their fabulous work. And I, for one, can't wait.
I think this is going to be such a brilliant evening after all the work that so many people have put in to deliver tonight what is a fantastic resource for all of the students around Newtown and the surrounding areas.
Just absolutely delighted to be here at this particular venue. So this is a really historic building in Newtown. It's got a huge history, the Pryce Jones Building, of community cohesion, entrepreneurship, and so it's really exciting for us to be able to bring the sort of skills and experience that we've got from Fashion Enter, from Lower Ashley, from all those activities into this with the courses that we want to run.
I think it's a great opportunity because, the history of this building, dating back many, many years. But textiles has been the heart of this building for a very, very long time. And of course, Powys is synonymous with Lower Ashley and brands like that. And just to bring those skills back into this area, I think will have a hugely beneficial impact on the economy and on GDP in the economy, which we all want to see rising.
So they get a chance to show off the work that they've done in a very formal setting, but in a very historic setting, and to a variety of different people from the community who can go out there and talk about the kind of work that is going on by the students. And it's always really important, particularly on the creative arts side, if you've created some fantastic pieces, that you do get a chance then to show people what you can do and hopefully then get commissions out of it as well, so that'll be amazing for them.
Dwi'n really gyffrous hynna oherwydd ar ôl gweithio yn galed am blwyddyn cyfan, ni'n cael cyfle I gweld gwaith y myfyrwyr ar y llwyfan yna o flaen gynulleidfa wrth ni launchio'r academy. O dwi'n hynod browd o gwaith caled y myfyrwyr yna gyd, a dwi'n really ddiolchgar bod gennyn nhw'r cyfle o'r llwyfan yma I ddangos eu waith.